Aloha, everyone. We're out to get the best Samoan food in Seattle. I fight to Fia Ai. Then please come with us.
All right, we are here at Steven and Sons Good Island Food, it says. And you see the 49ers down there, or 49ers like symbol. So mom is staying in the car with Maka, and we are going inside. Here we go. All right, everyone. Talo Falab, everyone. We're here today at Steven and Sons. How long have you been here?
More than 2 years.
More than 2 years? Awesome. And are you Steven or the son? No, I'm kidding.
We have peach pies, jelly buns.
Wow, what are these right here? That looks like something my wife would love to eat.
Yeah, it's a peach pie.
Okay, I'll take one of those.
And jelly buns.
And one jelly bun.
And Nutella buns.
Is this a half moon pie?
The half moon pie.
Yeah, one half moon pie.
We have a pancake, the Samoan's favorite food.
Oh, panikeki?
The pancake.
Oh, panikeng.
Yeah, right here at the garden.
All right, we'll try one of those too. And look at all the other food they have here.
We have soya, but it's palusami. We have a panpopo.
Yeah, I want one of everything. We're gonna get one of everything.
Okay, you want also this one?
No, we won't do the pangi popo.
Oh, you know the panpopo?
Oh, I make it all the time, so
Oh,
my
yeah?
wife loves it. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I'm the cook in the house, so I do all the Samoan food. My wife just eats it.
So you want small cups of tea?
Yeah, small cups of fe'e and small cup of everything, and then one palusami, which is my favorite food in the whole world. One small taro. Let me take the baked one though.
The baked? You want coconut cream on it?
No. Let's just get a small one without the coconut cream.
You want a fish?
Yeah. Everything. Awesome. Oh yeah, gotta have a turkey tail.
Lamb flaps.
Oh, lamb flap. Yeah, my wife loves lamb.
And then we got corned beef.
Gotta have the corned beef.
Yeah.
Oh, nice piece. Yeah. Thank you. They got the sapasui.
In a bowl?
Yeah, just little bowls is fine.
Did you want a bagger?
Yes, please, if you have a bag. So I've heard good things about this place. You know, I asked people like, and everyone said the best food is here. So that's what we're here to find out. Yeah, me and my wife's Samoan, and we do like food reviews. So.
So those are your daughters?
Anyway, this is my middle daughter, Acapella, and my youngest daughter, Silhouette. And wife, mom's staying home. She took too long to get ready. I said, we're going. No, she's out with a dog, actually.
You guys ditched mom?
Yeah, here you go. I'll give you that. It'll be out in a couple weeks. We'll do it.
For sure.
Silhouette has to get this, of course.
Bango.
E. Oh, we're getting the big bags. Look at that. E. Yeah, two. Yeah, we definitely want one of everything so we can give a good rating to everything.
Have a taste of everything, huh?
E.
So is this kongai too?
What's that?
This is kongai as well?
Kongai, yes.
You want a meat chicken pie and a meat pie?
What meat pies do you have? Which one?
Chicken and beef.
Beef.
$169.67, my man.
There's that. I'm gonna get more. We sure appreciate it.
Appreciate
I don't
you
need
guys
any change,
stopping
sir.
by.
I don't need any change.
You sure?
Yeah. You guys want to help me carry? Oh my gosh, it's heavy. All right. Yeah. Fase four.
I said what? Thanks again.
You're welcome. No, we all can eat everything.
Check out the page.
All right. Bye bye.
Thanks for stopping in.
All right.
Oh, it's a door.
Yeah. Let's go. Mommy's gonna be so happy.
Let me look at this real quick. It smells so good in there.
Yeah. Oh, look, it's our fee instructor right there, Jocko. They are open, Stephen and Son. They're open every day, 8 to 4, except for Monday. Oh, August 27th, they're having a luau. We'll have to check that out. Where is that at? Where's the luau? Oh, South Tacoma Way.
Yeah.
Huh. All right. All right, we are home. We're having a picnic outside in the shade. It is almost 80 degrees out. You can see the sun is out. But we are going to sit out here, and all of us going to have our Sunday late afternoon going night. So we've got four, I don't even remember what's in each boxes, but all this must weigh 20 pounds or more. It was so heavy, all this stuff we got. We also had some leftover white rice we're gonna eat. We're gonna open it all up. This came to $167, I believe, something like that. All right, let's get started.
Won't happen until winter solstice.
All right. So let's first see, before we put stuff out on our plates, we're gonna see, scoot over a little bit. There you go. We're gonna see, have mommy open it up and see what each one is. Try to hold your plate.
Thank you.
What's that? What you got? What you got? Show
Oh,
the camera.
wow. There's mamoy,
Yeah.
chicken, and muli pipi, which
Nice.
is turkey tail, and lamb,
Yeah.
and chicken.
Anyone want anything out of here? I'll take the chicken and a sausage. Hey, what's next?
Oh wow,
Whoa, is that the pausami?
that might be.
Or something else? It's huge. Here, just fly it. It's just a bee. It's not by you.
Yeah, that's balsamic, but I don't know what.
I don't know. I'll find out.
Oh,
I'll find out because you know who's going to eat this one. It's huge.
it is big. You sit right here by me.
Yeah, just sit by mom.
This way.
Here's the next one. Whoa! Ain't that pretty?
Oh my God, it's a nice fish.
Yeah. You want to put stuff on your plate, or are you just going to eat
I'll
it out of the
wait
thing?
until I see everything. Oh, more.
Another fishy.
Wow.
With coconut cream.
Coconut
we can
cream.
set it like that, huh?
Mhm.
I think we got little boxes. More
Oh.
sausage.
Yeah.
Everyone want a sausage? Sure. We're taking them. This one is,
Oh my googly moogly.
that's at Paspovi, right?
Yeah,
Little cabbage.
Paspovi.
So I know Acapella wants some of that. You want to get her some?
Here,
Give me your plate.
your fork, baby. You want some?
Pork. That's the meat you like.
No.
What?
Oh, she
You don't
doesn't
want it today?
any right now.
Want any meat? No? Let's see what else we got here.
My mind's set.
Your mind's. Oh my God.
Don't touch it! Yeah, it is a pineapple pie.
Thank you.
Show them. Oh. I knew she'd love that. see. What else we got? What is this?
Oh wait, bring that back over here so I can close that in until I'm done
What's
eating
that?
all the other stuff.
Looks like kimchi almost.
It does.
I wish I would have. We recorded what it is, but I didn't.
It does look like kimchi.
Okay, we'll cover it for now.
Oh,
Or you want to put it on your plate?
that's raw fish in there.
Cool.
So, I
No, what
don't
is-
know. Kimchi.
Fishy kimchi.
Oka?
Fishy.
I don't know.
Let's put a cover on it. Here's your cover for your pie, so the bugs, fly won't get it.
Kimchi oka.
All right. Okay, this is cold, so this is the oka. You want to look at it, or you want to leave it open, right? Because you're gonna eat some.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
Careful.
I love these little containers though. That's always good when you go to a store like this that has the good containers. You can keep them and reuse them. So like I said before, that's Stevens and Son, or Steven and Sons. It's just south of Seattle in Fife, F-I-F-E, Washington. Your mommy can try some. And then maybe put it in there.
Mmm.
There you go. You can open up some containers too. I'm gonna start opening up some of the pies. See? So I know some of these were like half moon pies and some were meat pies.
I'm sorry. Very good.
It's good. Well, see, oh look, you know I just made New Zealand meat pie. This is like a meat pie half moon pie. Isn't that cute? They had chicken or beef. I asked for the beef. Let's give it a try.
Put the cap on it.
Mmm. Wow. That is so good. Okay, I gotta put it down. I want to taste everything. I'm tempted to just eat all of that right this second.
Napkin, honey. Take it. Everyone's napkin.
Oh, I thought this was just for me.
Here, maybe. Oh. I was like, dying. Open
There's
these.
There's the calo. Well, probably need a spoon to break it apart. There's calo.
Oh, that is hollow.
You can open up these containers, honey.
Yeah, do it. Let's open that one.
Oh my gosh, here's another pie. I'm not sure what's in
Oh
it.
my, that's been a long time.
Huh? It's what?
This is a curry.
I don't know.
Curry mamoy
Split in half.
with some vegetables.
Oh.
Oh yeah, half moon pie.
Half moon pie, pineapple pie. You want to set it right here?
This will be good.
Set it right here.
What?
Set it right here.
Oh.
Set it right there. Oh, this is curry lamb,
Yeah.
not chicken.
Nope.
This one.
Okay.
Check this one.
Yeah, get her. She wants a sapasui.
I don't know if that's the one.
Looks like it.
Oh,
Ah, sapasui.
I was like, give the whole thing.
And Ella is a sapasui eater.
no. Oh my god.
Can I have the last bag right there so I can try that when Mom opens the containers? And we got plain rice here, so if you want some,
Yes.
you open
Oh
those
my
containers.
god, that cannot be what I. Oh my god!
What is
Jesus,
it?
No, not mine. No,
Still
mine.
what? We got it for her though.
No, that's
sure?
no, that's the jelly bun. Jelly bun. I've
Okay,
always.
jelly bun.
to rip it in half.
No, I looked her everywhere. No, mine. honey. I looked for
Okay,
it
wait.
everywhere.
Oh, you want to bite it now?
Yeah.
But you were supposed to be opening those while I did that.
Ready?
Show.
They're so good. Mm.
Now we know where to get jelly buns.
Oh, it's a coconut one. It's a coconut one.
Oh, cute. I guess I'll open these up then.
Holy smokes! That's
The pink stuff, I call it.
not pink stuff.
It's
that's
fish though, right?
No,
No?
that's
Back and forth. What?
that's 8-legged dude.
Octopus.
Octopus.
Oh, fi'e.
Pretty. Yeah.
What's that? You can grab a piece out.
Yeah, look at that.
This is a fi'e. Cute, huh?
I don't know what that is.
I forgot. They told me everything. What's meat? Why don't you try a bite and then you can tell us what it is. And then last but not least, oh, Honey, this is why I asked you to do these. Oh, no, let Mom do it. Oh, what is that?
No way.
Yes. I don't know what it is.
Pirikaki.
Oh, pirikaki.
Pirikaki,
Here, right here.
coconut.
Right here.
Coconut pirikaki.
All right. Let's start
What?
eating.
No.
All right, gonna try the sausage with some ketchup. Mmm. Really good.
Wow.
Really good. Mmm.
Fish is good.
So far, we haven't tasted anything that's not good. I can't wait for this, so I wish someone would have brought the salt out like I asked.
Oh, we've got salt.
I asked her to bring salt. Hey, what's in it?
It's in what?
Try it.
That's pork.
Pork?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pork.
I just want to try the taro leaf and onion and coconut cream at first. It's my favorite.
I'm not a fan.
Really need my salt. Anybody?
What is that?
Mmm.
I don't know what that is.
Good. I'm gonna go get my salt though. I love salt, although extra salt on
Is
everything.
that?
I'm trying to. I'm struggling. Oh, okay. Got some. Christ.
Hey, Patillo, can you grab mommy some rice, please? Right here. Thank you, baby. Want some rice, huh, bud? Rice. Nice and warm rice.
Not really.
I warmed it up. It was rice remade. More in your plate?
Do you like the jelly bun?
Oh my God, Pillow. That's like here.
Rice.
This is like the best
Here.
thing I've been looking for it forever. Quite literally forever.
What is?
This the bun, the jelly bun.
I thought you were gonna say rice.
No, the buns.
It was good. It was good.
Yeah, we're hurting Maka's feelings.
I'll go inside in a second. So I need to use the bathroom.
Cold. I don't really have
What do you mean?
Have they been talking nice while I'm gone? I'll find out when I do the edits. All right, got my salt. And a drink. Oh shoot, I already had my drink. What's acapella going to do?
Bathroom.
Oh, okay.
Mom.
I think it likes the pilikaki. Let me put a cover on it, or are you eating it right now?
Put a cover on it now.
Oh, this one? We'll put a cover on it until she's ready for it. Oh, I gotta try this too. That's a Fasipovi. Oh my God, you love it.
Oh my God.
Just nice motions.
Nice.
Just nice waves. Don't kill it. Here. You scared to touch it?
No.
Oh, let me try some more of this meat pie. Oh, look. It's like almost like a shepherd's pie. It has peas and carrots in it.
Well, I'm not a fan of those.
Well, you don't know until you try it.
When are you gonna
The
make
meat's super
more?
good though.
When are you gonna make more meat pies?
Whatever. A little bit nibble. No?
Like the top.
No, I would pick it either. She's picky.
I'm not a meat pie eater.
Okay, meat pie person. Non-person. So far, so really good. It's really good. Wow.
Hey. I need to try the outfit.
I'm so impressed. Try some more of that sausage. Wow. There she goes.
No, get back here.
Oh, she gotta get the skin. Tell them, don't tell me.
That is so good. I'm sorry, but this is, I think, all the time I've been alive, this is the best fi'e I've ever had. Hands down.
Why is it pink like that? Is that just the way it looks normally?
No, I'm not sure.
Oh my god. The chicken's so good too.
You know, this dish kind of reminds me of that Italian dish. What is it? Black ink.
Yeah.
Pasta.
Mm-hmm. Eat up the end of the bone there. Sorry to interrupt you, but the flavorings on this chicken is wonderful.
Oh my gosh. I
Wow.
don't care who you are, but that's the best fi'e.
Before we went up there and got this food, I was thinking to myself, what would I call the video? I'm thinking like kind of call it like trying to find the best food in Seattle. No doubt though, the title will be the best Samoan food in Seattle, even though it's a few miles south of Seattle. But oh my gosh, it's worth the drive. It's not that far from Seattle, maybe 15-20 minutes at the most, maybe even less, but it's so good. I gotta try some of this pork in here. Oh my gosh, it's so tender. Just gonna use my hand. All right. Oh, I'm saving some of this for later. I love eating this at nighttime by itself. I don't know why, but let me try a little bit of this. Oh, a little crunchy on the outside. Good taro. In my opinion, though, you can't mess up taro. Taro's always good, or kalo. We're definitely going to go back there again. I'm so glad that they're open every day except Monday. Oh my god, it's so good.
Wow.
Are you done with your sapasui? I'm gonna try some.
Mom.
Yeah. Can I have some sapasui?
What?
Huh?
They would be eating more, but they eat junk all the time before we even got back. Yeah, to get something from the mall. So this sapasui has carrots in it, onions, celery. Let's see, I just want to try the noodles first, see how that tastes. If I can get some, she tried to pick them all out already. Good.
Is it good?
There's like little meat in it too. Want some? You want a noodle?
Turkey tail.
Oh, here we go. Chicken tail sapasui. Where's the, you like celery though, I know that. Isn't this cute? We're feeding each other. Or I'm feeding her. Good, good, good. We're doing a kind of an early, how'd you say, konai? Say it again?
What?
Konai. We're doing an early one, so we're probably going to save a lot of it, but we wanted to test a little bit of everything to let you know how it is. I'm going to put their address below. I don't know if they do catering or nothing or something like that, but if they don't, they should. It's so good. I wish I would have got the chicken pie too. And Mom is going to tear up that dessert. How are the fish when you get a chance? I'm curious. How about the fish, honey? How is this one? The one with the coconut milk?
9.
9? Good. Now, she was mentioning it has ginger in it. She's not a ginger fan, but it's not too much, so she does like it. How about that one?
This one's a 10.
A 10. And what makes it a 10? Why is it, what is it, like curry on it or turmeric? Or?
Yeah, there's curry in it.
Oh, okay. Or that turmeric, the yellow stuff? Oh my gosh. So good, but it's so fattening for me. But I don't care. Not today. So good. Oh my gosh. Woo. I think we bought enough food for like 10 people. I'm like full already. I did eat a big breakfast though, but I wanted to try this food out and do this early before I didn't want to have to reheat it or nothing like that. So pretty much as soon as we got home, Mommy and some of the kids changed what they were wearing to come outside. Not chicken though. I need more chicken next time. I need a chicken meat pie. Mommy needs some more of the stuff right here. Probably the oka. I think we tried everything except, you want to try a bite of that? What is that? Samoan stew?
That's my boy, yeah. Curry.
You want to try some or no?
Curry
Not, I don't.
stew.
You want a little bite? Just to give them tell them what it's like?
Wrong with it.
Yeah, just tell them what it's like. Then you can go on to your, I want to see your reaction to that pie, the little teeny pastry with the coconut or the pineapple in the middle. It looks like custard or something. Good? Eoy. Okay, I want to see you try your stuff. Yeah, she said it's always good. I want to see you eat that little thing. You haven't tried that, and you haven't tried your little pie thing.
Or that.
Oh, I know. I want to try the little round one though with the pineapple in it, because she was excited over that, and the jelly bun, of course. The skin is so good on this. What's that one?
This is not your normal pineapple pie. This is actually a custard pineapple pie. A custard pineapple pie, it is something that, for me anyways, it is good to savor it. But since I haven't had one in like, gosh, I don't know how long, it won't last. A second.
You want to take one little bite? I'm happy. She's happy. I don't even know if we've tried all the food. Probably this pineapple, the half moon pie, we'll try later. But
yeah, that's your normal pineapple pie.
I have to say that. So we're gonna eat some more later. We're covering things up now because the wasps are getting aggressive for our food. I'll put this over here for now. And I tell you right now, definitely worth going to Steven & Son. It is freaking delicious. Well, we are going to eat good tonight and tomorrow probably, because I don't think me and her can eat all this in one day, even if we eat twice. Oh, this is so good. I'm going to eat all this myself. All right, everyone. Well, thanks so much for watching. We will seek out some other places too. So if you have a restaurant or you know of a restaurant that's in downtown Seattle that sells Samoan food or even island food, but particularly we're looking for Samoan food, or if they have Tongan, that would be great too, or Maori food. But you want to sit down for 1 second? Yeah, but let us know. Put it in the comments below, and we will try that one out next. So, whew, this was phenomenal. You have to try it anytime you're in the Emerald City, which is what Seattle's nickname is. You have to go by Steven & Sons. Again, it's right down here below, their address. Check them out. You're going to love it, I promise you. All right, honey, anything you want to say?
Hi.
No, we're wrapping up now. It's the bye time.
Oh, bye.
Like, thanks for watching. The food was good, blah, 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 whatever.
Well, the food was more than good.
Yeah, for sure.
A lot of them I haven't had in a very long time, so.
That's awesome. Well, thank you again for watching. We'll see you next time.
Thank you, everyone.
Tofa. Soifua.
Bye.
And till next time, peace.
Is that the one where it's like that one rains?
Hi, honey. Not even an hour later. I thought we were going to save it for later. It is later, she said.